Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use voice mode on Discord. So open your voice mode and click on settings, and here you find input and output options. Now you have to select here your microphone for input device, and you can increase the volume of your input device. And then all you have to need, click on your computer search icon and type here sound setting, and click on input device, and now you have to select here Voicemod Virtual Audio Device, and then go to your Discord and click on user settings, scroll down and click on voice and video, click on input device, and here you have to select Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. Open your voice mode, click on voice box, and now you can select any sound effect, and make sure to enable this option, voice changer. So that's how you can use voice mode on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.